Alright, today's dish is going to be a 2.5 pound rump roast, some red taters, and some green beans. Alright, the seasonings is I'm going to use my favorite McCormick Montreal steak and some garlic powder, freshly minced garlic, and butter. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to season the outside of your rump roast. When you season it to your taste, however you'd like. I'm not going to sit here and tell you, hey, do 1/2 cup of this or that, because I don't know what you like. So season it how you see fit and figure it out as you go along. Alright, so well seasoned. Making sure we get everything down on the inside of the meat as much as possible. I like to slap it a little bit just so it sticks. Alright. We're going to be using canola oil and a pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a hanger as the contraption I use to dip the meat into the pot. So you take your knife, cut a hole in it all the way through. All the way through. I'm going to take your butter, your minced garlic, garlic powder, and then you're going to microwave it. Once your butter's melted, put the minced garlic, once you've melted your butter with the minced garlic, you're going to fill that hole you created with butter and garlic. All you're doing here is making sure the inside of your meat is flavored. Alright, take your hanger, you're going to use it as a tool to drop it into the oil. Alright, if you want, you can continue to add more. Butter. And extra seasoning. Alright. Once the oil reaches to 350, you'll be able to drop your rump roast in. Looks like we're almost there. About 350 now. Pulled it out. About 12 minutes, give or take. And we're going for that medium rare inside. Now we'll let it rest for about 30 minutes. Stay tuned. We hope for a medium rare. If not, we're gonna eat it anyways, right? A little crispy on the outside. And we got the medium rare we're looking for. We made sure that the outside's nice and crisp. Bam.